rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you running here?
Single ZV7 18 on a Wolfram Artic 12K.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
This is DJ Smoking Lows. You're so. You saw so. I got the stick, hopping out the whip like I'm John Wick. If you see me looking, yeah, you better. Go to practice. Since I was 7.
I so appreciate it, man. Let them know they can follow you on social media.
What's that?
You on YouTube and stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let them know they can follow you on Facebook, everything like that.
Yeah, single sub scrub.
Yes,
Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff, or DJ Smoking Lows.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is, man. I'll be sure to tag me and be below. Good seeing you, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
What kind of?
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.